Today we will introduce the go-through ratchet wrench set. I'll use a display table to test the new tool. This is the newest model. 75 degrees, and it has a fixed end with a swivel ratchet head. A new go-through ratchet wrench. This is a traditional wrench handle. This one is extremely short. You can easily put your hand through the space. When we are fixing a car or any machine. If we use this 7 centimeter handle, you can put it in, but it can't be used here. This is a traditional go-through wrench. It can switch between different directions. It can be switched left and right. But it can't be used for this either. It can't be used at any angle. We have tried adding an extension rod. A normal extension rod is 7 centimeters in length. The length is about 8 centimeters after a socket is added. So it can't be used when the depth is more than 9 centimeters. You can't use it in special spaces. Today, we are introducing this, a new 75-degree rotating go-through ratchet wrench. It has a special function. It has a 75-degree fixed end. Once you add an extension rod and socket, you can use it directly, and there is plenty of space. You can also use the swivel end. Adjust the angle, and then you can use it. You can use it this way as well, turning it into this angle. Although it doesn't have a clockwise-counterclockwise switching function, we can use it either way interchangeably. It can change direction very quickly. This is not just a normal extension rod. We can use it as a handle. You can hold it this way. Press down at this end, and the wrench head will be secured. You can use it in unusual spaces. If the space is still too small, you can move the extension rod to the other end, making it into a T-rod. This is 20 centimeters in length. It's very different from the extension rods on the market. So when this space is deeper, Past go-through socket sets didn't sell as well. The main reason was because they couldn't be used in many spaces. We can easily use this in a deep space. You can use it with one hand and do the job quick. And it's already opened. We are going to change direction. The space for turning is very tiny. It's even shorter than those on the market. You can turn 180 degrees very quickly. The speed is very fast. A traditional one is very slow and only works quickly when the turning angle is very small. You wouldn't improve your work efficiency that way. If you want to go faster, then use this new 75-degree go-through ratchet handle. The speed is very fast when you use it because it's turned with a hand axle. You can tighten or loosen screws very fast. You can tighten or loosen screws very fast. Aside from the ratchet head, there's a fixed end. When great torque is applied on the fixed end, for example, say a 19mm socket, or 20mm, or 21mm, or even bigger, we can use the fixed end. The torque of the fixed end is immense. It can reach 1.3 times the ANSI value. With the side rotation handle, greater force can be used in tightening and loosening. You can use the fixed end easily. An ordinary handle on the market, a standard to go through handle, only has one side handle. In contrast, our product has multiple functions. The price is similar. Ours is a new type of wrench and socket set. Our product also has other functions. This adapter can be changed to an ordinary square system, and a 1/4, 3/8, or half-size socket can be fitted. That will make it into an ordinary wrench handle, one that's not even our brand. You can adapt it and use it this way. It will still have those functions. A handle can be added. This way the force will be great. You can also use the T-rod, which is faster. This is a 1/2-inch square. You can change it to a 1/4-inch square. You can use 12-tooth or 6-tooth sockets. You can use long or short sockets to connect the T-rod functions, which can still be used. If you think it's too short, then you can add an extension rod to increase the usable space. This is our newest design, the go-through rotating wrench set.